Knitting Tutorials by Miarti. Cast on 48 stitches to start the slipper fabric. Garter stitch section. Work 30 rows with knit stitches to create the first side. Shaping the cuff. Cast off 24 stitches, then work the rest of the stitches knitwise until the end of the row. Ribbed elastic band. Work 2 purl stitches, 2 knit stitches, and further alternate this sequence until the end of the row. Continuing the ribbing. Further work 18 rows as you see the stitches appearing on the needle. Increasing stitches. Cast on 24 additional stitches back onto the needle to mirror the shape. Transition row. Work all stitches as knit stitches across the row. Garter stitch section. Further work 30 rows with knit stitches to complete the main body. Binding off main piece. Cast off all the stitches from the needle to finish the single fabric piece. Decorative element cast on. For the first row, cast on 4 stitches onto the needle and work knitwise. Stockinette stitch base. For the second row, work all stitches with purl stitches. Knitting the decorative strip. In this way, alternate the first and the second rows and work for 7 centimeters total. Binding off decorative strip. Cast off all the stitches from the needle. Bow assembly. Tie the knitted strip in the middle to form a decorative bow shape. Final assembly and sewing. Sew the slippers together using a tapestry needle and matching thread.